Attitude is the most powerful part of your life. Many people think success comes from talent, luck, or money, but this is not the full truth. The real key to success is much simpler: your attitude. The way you think, the way you react, and the way you choose to see your life changes everything. A strong attitude can turn a small step into a big victory. A weak attitude can turn a small problem into a big wall. This is why attitude matters so much. Attitude is not something we are born with. It is something we build slowly, day by day. Every day gives us a choice. When you wake up in the morning, you choose how you want to face the world. You choose your thoughts. You choose your energy. You choose your direction. You can say, "Today I will try," or you can say, "Today I don't care." You can say, "This is possible," or you can say, "This is too hard." The day is the same, but the results become different because attitude creates different actions. Many people think attitude is a small detail, but it is not. It is everything. It is the engine that moves you forward when life becomes heavy. It is the light that helps you see hope when everything feels dark. It is the power that keeps you going when other people stop. Imagine two students learning English. They have the same teacher, the same books, and the same time. One says, "I can do this if I practice every day." The other says, "English is too difficult for me." After 1 month, there is a small difference. After 6 months, the difference grows. After 1 year, it becomes huge. The first student is speaking, practicing, improving. The second student is still scared, still waiting, still thinking he is not good enough. The difference is not talent. It is attitude. Attitude is a seed. When you water it with positive thoughts, it grows strong. When you water it with negative thoughts, it becomes weak. If you say, "I am learning," you open a door. If you say, "I can't," you close it. Every door in your life opens or closes with the words you choose. A positive attitude does not mean you smile all the time. It does not mean life is always easy. It means you believe that even when life is difficult, you can still move forward. A positive attitude says, "Maybe today is hard, but tomorrow can be better." A negative attitude says, "If today is hard, everything is hopeless." This small difference creates a big change in your future. Your attitude is your quiet voice inside. Sometimes this voice is strong and brave. Sometimes it is scared and tired. You cannot stop the voice, but you can teach it how to speak. You can teach it to say, "Try again." You can teach it to say, "You are growing." You can teach it to say, "One more step." With practice, this voice becomes your friend. The world outside does not always change, but the world inside you can change every day. That is why attitude is more important than conditions. Some people have a hard life but a strong mind. They do not give up. They do not stop. They do not cry for long. They rest, they breathe, and then they continue. Other people have many advantages: money, comfort, help, but they give up quickly because their attitude is weak. They cry, complain, and wait for someone else to fix their life. But life does not change for people who wait. Life changes for people who act. A strong attitude is not something big. It is something small that you do every day. It is the way you wake up, the way you speak to yourself, the way you handle difficult moments. Attitude does not grow in easy times. It grows in hard times. When something goes wrong and you still continue, your attitude grows stronger. When someone says, "You can't," and you say, "Watch me," your attitude becomes unbreakable. Let's imagine a simple story. There is a young girl named Lena. She wants to become a nurse. She is not very smart at school, and she sometimes gets low grades. People tell her, "You are too slow. Nursing is difficult. Choose something easier." Lena feels hurt, but she keeps going. Every night she studies a little. Every morning she tells herself, "I can do this if I try." Her attitude becomes her strength. After a few years, Lena becomes a nurse. She is not the best student, but she has the strongest attitude. And her strong attitude wins in the end. This story is simple, but it teaches an important truth. Discipline and attitude beat talent. Talent is good, but talent without attitude becomes nothing. Discipline with attitude becomes success. To build a strong attitude, you need to understand 3 important ideas. 1. Small steps matter. Many people wait for big motivation. They want a big change, a big success, a big moment. But big moments come from small steps. Just 5 minutes of practice every day is better than 0 minutes for 1 year. Just one small improvement creates a new habit. One small habit creates a new lifestyle. And a new lifestyle creates a new future. 2. You must control your words. Words shape your attitude. Words shape your mind. When you say, "I always fail," your mind believes it. When you say, "I am stupid," your mind accepts it. But when you say, "I am learning," your mind becomes open. When you say, "I will improve," your mind prepares to grow. Speak to yourself like you are someone important, because you are. 3. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection is impossible. No one is perfect. No one learns without mistakes. No one succeeds without falling. If you focus only on perfection, you will feel weak every day. But if you focus on progress, on small improvements, you will feel strong. You will see your journey. You will respect your effort. And you will keep going. A strong attitude also includes patience. Humans want fast results. They want to see success now. But life does not work like that. Trees grow slowly. Muscles grow slowly. Skills grow slowly. Confidence grows slowly. Good things take time. If you learn to wait, you learn to win. If you learn to stay calm, you learn to grow. Patience is not weakness. Patience is power. Another part of attitude is responsibility. When you blame the world, you lose control. When you blame other people, you lose power. When you say, "Life is unfair," you stop trying. But when you say, "I am responsible for my future," everything changes. Responsibility is freedom. It means you choose your actions. You choose your direction. You choose your life. A strong attitude also comes from gratitude. Gratitude helps you see the good things around you. When you say, "I am thankful for my family," you feel more love. When you say, "I am thankful for my health," you feel more energy. When you say, "I am thankful for the chance to learn," you feel more motivation. Gratitude is a simple habit, but it makes your attitude stronger. Belief is the heart of attitude. If you believe you can grow, you grow. If you believe you can change, you change. If you believe you can reach your goals, your steps become lighter. Belief gives you strength. Belief gives you direction. Belief gives you hope. Let me give you another example. Imagine a man named Amir. He wants to start a small business. He does not have much money. He does not have special skills. But he has attitude. Every day he works a little. Every day he learns something new. Some days are slow, some days are difficult, some days he feels tired. But Amir keeps going. After 1 year, he earns a small income. After 2 years, he earns more. After 5 years, he has a successful business. People say, "You are lucky." But luck did not build his business. Attitude did. This is the secret many people do not understand. Your attitude builds your future long before your actions show results. If your attitude is strong, you continue when others stop. You rise when others fall. You move when others freeze. And this is why your attitude decides who you become. Life will challenge you. Life will test you. Life will give you days when you feel tired, sad, or weak. But your attitude helps you stand again. Your attitude helps you say, "This is not the end." Your attitude helps you see the bigger picture. A strong attitude does not protect you from problems. It prepares you for them. It teaches you how to stay calm, how to think clearly, how to make smart choices. It teaches you that every problem has a solution, even if the solution is small. Here is the final message. Success is not about being perfect. Success is not about being fast. Success is not about being lucky. Success is about attitude, your belief, your patience, your discipline, your focus. If you protect your attitude, it will protect your future. If you strengthen your attitude, it will strengthen your life. If you grow your attitude, your success will grow too. Because in the end, strong attitude wins.